Hello YouTube, I am unboxing today this little Eko Camaro Sparkle. I actually already unboxed it, but I wasn't filming, so I will do it again. I opened the box with this little Mikov knife from Czech Republic. Very handsome. See? Love it. Okay, great. So, we have this little thing here. I bought it brand new on Reverb on a professional retailer. I made him an offer and I got it for 170 euros, which is quite a bargain. It retails brand new off-brand at 220 euros, I think, maybe, give or take. So, I already unboxed it, but I will perform it again. In front of you, that's the good side. In front of your amazed eyes, there it is. What is that? Okay, it's a shitty cable. Don't give us a shitty cable. It's useless. Thank you. So, here we are. Okay, I can already feel that it's quite, quite balanced. It's not heavy, it's not light, it's very in between, and quite pleasant. Like it so far. Okay, here we are. Here we are. Okay. See? The body is more like silver sparkle on blue metallic paint. Shut up, the cat. Silly cat. But it's very, very nice, you know. It's my first sparkle finish guitar. And it's quite retro, actually. You have some circus vibe or Las Vegas vibe, you know, old show, you know, all the 70s show. I don't know if you know what I mean, but it's kind of like that. You have the tortoise big guard, it's quite nice. You have a quality control little thing here, which is good. And it came in tune. More or less, but quite in tune. Okay, it plays already good without plugging in. You have the tone and volume knob, which are very soft and smooth. Three-way switch position. The hardtail is quite basic, but seems quite strongly attached. And you have some two P90 style pickup. So I will use this guitar for like soft rock or classic rock or, you know, blues or something like that. Yes, I know. Oh, silly cat. Allez, go. Thanks. Sorry for that, little cat. I will use those pickups for surf. I know it's not like something very common, but I actually heard this. They sounds pretty good for surf. If you know how to dial them correctly, it gives you some very punchy sound. And I will use them through my TC Electronic Sky Surfer. I cannot reach it right now, but maybe later. And basically the Sky Surfer makes you sound very surfy, but it lacks of dynamic, and with some very powerful P90s. No, not very powerful, but more than single coils. I think it's gonna sound pretty neat, actually. I will have to change the strings too, but we will see. You see the matching headstock, which is massive, which is very good. Yes, very nice to have matching headstock. Don't know why in 2022 guitars doesn't have every time matching headstock, but you know, it's quite nice. So here you go. Spec wise, I forgot what was the body, but It's not a shitty wood actually, it's not mahogany. Don't know if it's elder or something like that. The fretboard is in Rupana. I don't know what it is, but okay, it's an American wood actually. The fretwork is very nice for this price tag, you know. Quite, I don't know if you can see, but quite in good position. The action is maybe a little high for some, but I like the way it's leveled. For that, it sounds nice. So far, so good. Ah, the cat just destroyed something. What did you do, cat? Bad cat. Okay. This is it. So I will perform maybe a little playthrough and see if it is very spec-wise for soft rock, as I expect, or not. Okay, so far it's very beautiful and it's not shitty. Nothing moving, you know, when you shake it. Maybe the locking tuners are maybe not the good point here, but you know, you can change them if you really like the guitar. For this price tag, so far so good. So far so good. You know? Okay. Maybe I will do a playthrough later with my Marshall DSL1 head, tube head, which has a very good clean channel actually, and is very surf friendly and rock friendly. So we will hear different styles. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys, and maybe later for a little casual playthrough. Bye!